Good morning. I have a I'm wearing this because it's getting cold. It's bigger, but I don't care. I just stay home anyway. And good morning, guys. Good morning again. This is what I did. This is what I already done for a few days. I think it's 3 days in a row. This, yeah. Fritos and this. I don't know. My husband got this, but I'm gonna have some lunch. My husband is home today and he's so tired. Early this morning we dropped his mother to dialysis. And we went grocery shopping after, and now he's tired. And I'm having my lunch. Yeah, I'll show you. What I have, yeah, that's pork, long string beans, carrots, and bell pepper. I'm gonna put this. I found a pomelo in ShopRite, guys. It's green, but I will try to open it. It's already ripe. This is the kind of pomelo that it's green, but you can eat it. Pineapple, and I'm making. That's why I put this out that that I can cut it with a yellow or white onion. I don't know. Yellow onion. Yeah, it says yellow onion there. This is from Stop and Shop. This is from ShopRite. I'm planning to make some pork roast tonight for dinner. So before I'm gonna bake, before I bake it, because I put it in the oven, I boiled it first. And then I'll show you what kind of pork I got. This is what I got. Hold on. Yeah, the bag is from ShopRite. This refrigerator is 100-year-old. Pork. There's a skin in there. Under here is the skin, and the other side is the skin. Yeah. It's big. It's big for the people. I'm going to have fritos again. It's really good though. This is what I've been doing, guys. My husband is just woke up from nap, and this is what I've been doing. It's tiring. While I'm doing, yeah, she's sleeping with you. While I'm doing this, I'm watching it. It's Judy's life. I just like sewing, stitching. Yeah.
Tax bill?
Yeah. Why is it late?
Because it didn't pay us.
Huh?
Because it didn't pay you.
So we're going to pick up his mother later. So let me finish this because I still have a lot. Look at this, guys. Yeah, and I'm in this area here, very little only in the edge, and plus I have under another paper like this. Oh, the sun is very bright, guys. Look, we're heading out.
Sun will come out tomorrow.
What? My husband is singing. What? What is now? You don't have your key?
Lighter.
Just a freaking lighter. Can you sing again?
No.
About the sun. What happened?
No.
Huh? What?
We're dizzy.
You are dizzy?
Yeah.
That's bad.
Probably just
My husband's dizzy. He's calling somebody.
Chinese.
Oh, good, because that is a prized position.
Tonight, 9/8 Central.
Moms teach their kids not to play with fire.
What kind of position is that,
Hello.
Kimberlect?
Well,
Hi,
Mary
how's everything?
Sweden should have fallen more of her own advice. Things are heating up
Oh,
fast.
tell me about it.
It's like, oh my god, my eyes is hurting. Concentrating the cross stitch on it like that, you know. Let me check if there's package. Oh no, there's no package. But anyway, yeah, I can concentrating the thread, and my husband is in the shower, and I already made the pork, the roasted. I'm making a roasted pork, but I would like to thank to my new subscriber. Hold on, guys. Hi guys, I would like to thank you for subscribing Lynn's Corner, Charlene Aim, and Zoana Raffen, and Lane Repiola. Thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you. Let's just look at this instruction. The symbols. Yes, it's a lot. And I already just did 2, and it's not even finally, you know, 3 symbols, and the 3 symbols is not even like I'm done with that symbols. So, yeah, I'll show you my pork.
Sure. Hey, with savings like that, you could redo your entire house. Saying lines to go, lines for life.
I probably go up soon. I need to close my eyes. I'm so tired. I don't vlog a lot today, so I see you tomorrow, guys. Good night. Bye. Thank you for watching.